Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix. Today we will show you how to fix when your Prime Video app's not working properly on TCL Google TV. If you are facing a problem like the Prime Video app keeps crashing or closing repeatedly, freezing, blank, or gray screen issue, then this is the right tutorial for you to solve the issue within a few steps. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Before we start, if you find this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, let's start it. Step 1. Power cycle your device, Google TV, router, and modem. Our first step is to restart your Google TV and Wi-Fi router. This is a good first thing to try if you are having network issues, as it can often fix problems not just for your Google TV but for all your connected devices. Here's how to do it. Unplug the power cable of your TV and router from main socket. Then wait for 2 minutes. While waiting, press and hold the power button of your smart TV for 10 seconds to get rid of any remaining electricity. Then plug in the power cable back into your TV and wait for it to turn on again. Following these same steps for router and modem to resolve connectivity issues. Step 2. Replace router closer to the Google TV. Sometimes, your router may be too far from your TV. Try moving it closer to establish a better connection. Ensure that your TV is within range of the Wi-Fi router, and there are no physical obstructions that could weaken the signal. Step 4. Clear Prime Video app cache memory. Prime Video collects cache in the background to improve the uploading performance. When the app collects a corrupt cache, it may not open and even crash on startup. You need to clear the Prime Video cache and try again. Step 3. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Using the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band can help improve the performance of your Wi-Fi connection, as it can be less crowded and less prone to interference than the 2.4 GHz band. However, it is essential to note that the 5 GHz band has a shorter range than the 2.4 GHz band, so it may be less effective if you try connecting devices far away from the Wi-Fi router. Step 5. Update Prime Video app and Google TV firmware. An outdated Prime Video app can be the main culprit here. It's time to update Prime Video app and TV firmware to the latest version. Step 6. Check time and date settings. Sometimes, your TV internet connection may not work properly due to incorrect time and date settings. The time and date settings are crucial for various functions of the TV, including accessing online content and services. To resolve this issue, you should ensure that your TV time and date settings are configured correctly. Step 8. Reset to factory settings to your Google TV. When all else fails, it's time for a factory reset. Just be aware that this will erase all your settings, accounts, and apps, returning your TV to its original state. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We've covered the steps to fix Prime Video apps not working on Google TV. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.